doesn't go through, do U.S. Air and Americans survive?
Yeah, they survive. I think it's a harder time for American. You know, they had gone to their of course their board and their unions and you know, and approved this merger, and so it's been quite a step for them. You know, if it doesn't go through, they'll survive in some form, but it'll be a long road, I think. U.S. Air, I think, will be fine. In fact, you know, it'll be a much smaller airline, but extremely profitable airline. I think as we speak now, they're supposed to earn over $3 a share without the merger. So I would think that at $15, $16, it's a very inexpensive stock.
You know, it's curious. Airlines had seemed to be recovering, but then the industry as a whole started dropping even before this news. Of course, oil prices are rising, which is never a help. But is that an indication to pull back from the entire sector for now and just dump shares if you own them?
I'm sure that you've had a lot of, you know, a lot of money's been made. We bought U.S. Air stock in single digits. I think we have a cost of it around $8 a share. So it's done extremely well. But it's a new game in the airline business, and you know, this is an industry that's never earned its cost of capital, and they've really over the last 4 or 5 years resized the industry, you know, and started running the operations much more efficiently, and you know, it's had a rebirth, and there's real opportunities we feel from here in the airline business.
What about an opportunity if a surviving U.S. Air / American company comes to be? You mentioned U.S. Air's earnings. Would that combined company, if it happens, be a good investment?
I think so. I think it'd be the powerhouse of all the airlines if it went through. If you look at each individual route structure and lay them together, it fits like a puzzle, and it would make a lot of sense. I'm really perplexed why the DOJ would do this. This doesn't make much sense to me. I see only one or possibly two airports where market share would even go up that much, and it's a very small percent. So, you know, I'm actually a little bit more optimistic than a lot of people out there that it will go through. I think it makes a lot of sense that it should.